In this video, I'm going to show you how to effectively schedule WhatsApp group call, okay? If you are a subscriber in this channel, you know very well that we don't waste time. We just dive right into the content our viewer is looking for. Let's get started without wasting so much time. Open WhatsApp. Then locate the group where you want to schedule a group call, okay? Let's say I want to schedule a group call in this group here. What do? Click on the video icon, that one there. Then tap on schedule call. Then you can describe the call. Maybe you can say alignment. Okay, you can say team alignment. Then select the date of the call. Maybe it will be on 25th of September or something like that. Then you can define the call type. Maybe it's a video call or a voice call. Let us leave it at video call. Then set the time of the call, maybe 7 a.m. or okay. This one will depend on your preferences. This is the start date, the first one. This is the start date, and this is the end date. If you found value in this video, please make sure to like it and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thank you.